Hello everyone, my name is Juan Martin. I'm currently completing my bachelor's degree in kinesiology at CBU. I would like to also continue and get my master's degree in kinesiology after this at CBU as well. I've been an athlete my whole life, so I love playing sports. I want to get my bachelor's and master's degree in order to become a strength and conditioning coach. I myself, due to playing tennis, competitive and collegiate tennis, have had quite a bit of injuries and a couple of shoulder surgeries. So I know how strength and conditioning can play a role and help an athlete recover from injuries and enhance their performance, which is something I would like to do in the future, working with athletes either in the collegiate level or in the professional level as well. So as far as for my hobbies and what I like to do in my off time, I definitely like to play more sports, just get out there, have fun, whether it's basketball, soccer, or tennis, and just exercise as much as possible whenever I have the chance. So that's what I like to do in my off time. I look forward to having a great semester with all of you and wish everyone the best of luck.